Welcome student. In this video lecture we study the study of fruits, a typical diagram of fruits and its part, and there are types of fruits or classification of fruit. The fertilization stimulates the growth of ovary, and as it grown and matured and it become converted into the fruit. In this way, fruit may be defined as a matured or ripened ovary. When only one ovary of flower grows into the fruit, it is known as a true type fruit, that is the mango. And sometimes it found that the other floral plant such as thalamus, calyx may be also grow and form a part of fruit. Such fruit is known as a false fruit. For example, apple thalamus grow the round and ovary and it become fleshy in the fruit. In cashew nut, the peduncle and thalamus grow and become swollen and fleshy, forming an edible fruit-like body, which is known as a false fruit. So, which fruits are developed without fertilization? Such fruits are known as parthenocarpic fruits, and the phenomenon is termed as a seedless fruit. For example, that is the banana fruit. So, in this diagram, we see the typical diagram of mango fruit. That is, the different parts are appeared or seen in this diagram. There is a epicarp, second one is the mesocarp, and third one is the endocarp, and after that we see the seeds. There are two parts of fruit. There is a number one seed, and these three parts are known as a pericarp. It is the wall of fruit which is developed from the ovary wall, and in many plants the pericarp is differentiated into three regions. That is the number one epicarp. Epicarp is the outer part which form the skin of fruit, and it is the protective cover of the fruit. Number second one, in diagram we see the mesocarp. It is the middle part of fruit wall which forms the major pulpy or juicy part of the fruit, as in mango. Then the third one is the endocarp. It is the inner part of the fruit wall which may be the thin, and it is the membranous as in orange and hard, and it is as a stone or stony like hard in mango. In some plant, pericarp is the single that is not differentiated into three regions or these regions. For example, pea. Then we see the second part of fruit, that is the seed. The fruit wall may be enclosed one or more seed which is developed from the fertilized ovule is known as seeds. So in this diagram we study the different parts of seed and what is seed. Then the seeds may be classified into three groups, that is the simple fruit, second one is the aggregate fruit, and third one is the multiple fruits. In simple fruit, when only one fruit develops from the single ovary of flower with or without accessory part, it is said to be a simple fruit. A simple fruit may be further divided into dry, for example, cotton, and fleshy fruit in tomato. In dry fruit, pericarp become dry and thin. It may be thin and it may be thin at maturity time. The dry fruits are furtherly classified in different groups on the basis of breaking their pericarp at maturity time. Leguminous and capsule are the dry and dehiscent fruits. On the other hand, caryopsis, that is the wheat, maize, sunflower, nut in cashew nut, are the type of fruits. In fleshy fruit, the pericarp is thick and fleshy and may or may not be differentiated into all three regions, that is the epicarp, mesocarp and endocarp. For example, mango, drupe, grapes, berry, pepper in cucumber, pome in apple are the fleshy fruits. Second one type of fruit is the aggregate fruits. The aggregate fruits is the collection of simple fruits or fruitlets developing from the apocarpous pistil of flower. In such case, the carpels are free and ovary of each carpel develop into small fruitlets, and it is a collection of group of simple fruitlets by the single flower make aggregate fruits known as Etairo. The common forms of aggregate fruits are the raspberry, then the second is the strawberry, are the types of aggregate fruit. And third one is the multiple or composite fruit. Composite or multiple fruit is developed from the entire inflorescence of plant. Such fruits along with ovaries and other floral parts take a part in the formation of such type fruits. On the basis of the inflorescence, fruits are classified into two types, that is the sorosis. The number one is the sorosis, that the fruit develop from the spike, that is the pineapple fruit, and second one is the syconus, that the fruit develop from the halo, pear shape and fleshy receptacle. For example, fig fruits and banyan fruits are developed as known as syconus type fruits. So student, in this video we study there are types of fruit and there is a different parts of fruit which are seen. So in next lecture we study the new point and new topic. So thank you student.